Hey traders, in this video, I want to be going over the best indicators on pocket option, and there are a few that are exclusively on pocket option. So the first one is signals. So signals is you can see what specific traders put for their trades. So here you can see 125, 126 people are betting that this will go downwards within the next 10 minutes, 25 minutes, really. So you can kind of look at this on the 1 minute chart here and see what's happening. So you can see here that the parabolic SAR is going downwards on the larger chart. So it's a pretty good suspicion, and it also did a crossover downwards right here as well. So combined with these indicators right here, you can have roughly an 80% win rate. So I can show you examples of what you can expect to see. So the first indicator that I like, it's very simple. It tells you to buy and sell right when something's going to go down or up, right? And combined with the parabolic SAR, it's amazing. So, but of course, you have to combine it with different other indicators such as the momentum and that thing. So, for example, here it said buy, right here, okay, and right when it said buy, it went up a substantial amount. It went up, yeah, a lot in the next couple of minutes. Okay. But you don't want to just rely on one indicator. You want to rely on many. And if the signals also show it, you just want to copy the signal and you'll get the trade. Okay. So on top of the super trend indicator, the parabolic SAR also aligned with it. So it had the parabolic SAR. When the dots are below the candlesticks, that means it's a buy. If it's above, that means it's a sell. Okay. So here we also saw that it did a crossover right here pretty recently. So with that crossover, with the buy and with the green momentum, that was a perfect trade. Okay. So this strategy really has around an 80% win rate. So it's a pretty high win rate. You can do it on a minute scale. You can do it on 10-second scales. You can do it on 5-second scales even. So it's very open. It's a very open strategy to use. So here we can see that now the parabolic SCR is downwards here, and there's a crossover that happened. It's a good signal, but we have to see also the buy signal as well for the super trend indicator. So if we see all of that at the same time, then it'll be a great buy opportunity. But right now we don't. So it's a little bit risky. Right now, as you see, it has went up quite a bit. And now the problem here, this is buy now, but here it says it's red right here. So might not be optimal, but I think I'll give this a shot and see how this plays out. So using all of these indicators at the same time, let's see how this plays out. This has around an 80% win rate, as I discussed. So this is on a 5-second indicator, 5-second candlesticks right here. So, and voila, we won that trade. Okay, so I can do this again and again to show you the how the strategy works. But the fundamentals is basically you want everything to kind of align. So you want the parabolic SCR to align, you want the super trend indicator to align, you want the momentum indicator to align, you want the MACD indicator to align. So you want all these to align, and ideally, if these all align and something in the signals also aligns, you just want to copy the signal. So if you're trading on longer term, let's say you're trading on 1 minute candlesticks, and you see that a lot of people are trading betting that it'll go downwards, then you can see why. So here potentially there might be a resistance level at around this level. So there's many different reasons, but a lot of people are betting that it'll go down within the next 20 minutes or so. So you can also see there. So let's go to the 1 or 2 minute mark. So 2 minutes. So everything's kind of going upwards quite a bit. So as you see right here, it is correct. I was correct about it. So there's a resistance level right around this level. So that's why people are betting that it'll go downwards within the next 20 or so minutes, as you see right here. So with the signals, I really like the signals because you can see what other people are thinking, and you can kind of go to that idea. So you can combine all of this, and you can get a pretty decent win rate. So I really like trading currencies and stocks with this method. So let's go back to let's go 10 seconds maybe. Yeah, so that's really about it for this video. If I find any other trade, I might do this right now, but if I don't, then might have to wait. But yeah, so that's really about it for this video. So the super trend indicator, the parabolic SAR, the momentum indicator, the MACD indicator, combined with the signals is really great for finding certain trades. You can get really good win rate, roughly 80%. So if you want to trade with Pocket Option, you can actually get a 50% bonus when you sign up with becoinnet. So all you have to do is just go to becoinnet and click this link right here, Pocket Option. Use this promo code, and you'll get 50% off on your first deposit when trading. Happy trading.